Hey guys, today we're going to talk about mixed numbers and improper fractions. I'm going to do this in two videos so that it's easier and we have more time to talk about each. We're going to start with improper fractions. Okay, the definition of an improper fraction is any time that your numerator is greater than your denominator. So let's say we had 10 sevenths. Okay, if we had 10 over 7. You notice that the numerator is greater than your denominator, and that is why it's called an improper fraction. So today we're going to learn how to turn improper fractions into mixed numbers, and we're going to learn how to turn mixed numbers into improper fractions. So for this first video, we're just going to talk about improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay? Remember, a fraction is nothing more than a division problem. 10 over 7 is the same as 10 divided by 7. Okay? So you're going to try to figure out how many times can 7 go into 10 without going over. And we all know that it can go in once because twice would be 14, which would be too high. So it goes in one time, and now you have 3 remaining, right? Your remainder is 3. So your remainder is 3 becomes your numerator, and your denominator always stays the same. Now, when I said this is just like a division problem, you can do them just like a division problem. 10 divided by 7, you have 1, right? Subtract, you get 3. This, your remainder of 3, turns into your numerator over 7, okay? So it works out the same way. So when you get into bigger numbers where you want to divide, that's where this would be helpful. So let's talk about one that's a little bit higher. Okay, let's go with 27 over 4. Okay, so let's say we didn't know in our head that 4 goes into 27 6 times without going over. Okay, so we're going to divide it out. We'd have 27 divided by 4. 4 goes into 27 6 times, which is 24. Your remainder is 3. So your fraction then is 6 and 3/4. Okay. Most of the ones that you're going to see are fairly simple, fairly short for the time being. So they would be ones like, let's say we had 7/3. Okay, and you can look at it and say 3 goes into 7 how many times? Twice. And there's how many left over? Because 3 times 2 is 6. So there's 1 left. So it ends up being 2 1/3. Okay? So that is how to change an improper fraction into a mixed number. Like I said, in the next video, I'm going to show you mixed numbers, and we're going to change them into improper fractions.